Assalamu alaikum, dear learners, dear viewers. I hope you are well. I am also well. Dear learners, you are staying home for a long time. For this reason, our Upazila has started an online class system. Okay, welcome to everyone to Kochu online school. Okay, let's go. I will take a class with you on grammar chapter. Okay, let's go. Okay, you can see the first cover page of your book, English Grammar and Composition Class 6. Okay, you also know about today's text that will be on grammar chapter. Okay, let's go. Identity. I am Jahid Sheikh, Assistant Teacher English, Mubaidul Islam High School, Kochua, Bagekra. Okay, you can see 3 sections: yesterday, today, tomorrow. Yesterday, today, tomorrow. Okay, next. Okay, yesterday. Today things Saturday. Perhaps yesterday was Friday. This is the picture of Friday. Every Muslims also go to mosque for saying prayer. Okay, next. Today you are taking class. You are in the classroom. I am taking class. This is the picture. Next, tomorrow you will play in the evening after school. Okay, through these things you can know a grammatical part: yesterday, today and tomorrow. Okay, let's go. That's maybe. Okay, yesterday I went to mosque. Today, now I am in a classroom. I will play cricket in the evening. I will play cricket in the evening. This is the description of the previous slide, 3 pictures. Okay, through this section we may learn a things of grammatical term, that is tense. Okay, title: our today's class will be on tense. Okay, let's go. At first, tense is divided into 3 kinds. You have to know about the 3 main names of tense. Number 1, present tense. Number 2, past tense, and future tense. Clear? Okay, you have to learn by heart very clearly, because this term will related all your next acquisition, next learning, because tense is called the main thing of English grammar. So you have to very clearly the term, and this is my first class on tense. There are many classes on tense that you will find later. Okay, this is the first term of the class tense. Okay, through this slide we also know the 3 kinds of tense, mainly 3 kinds: present tense, past tense, future tense. Okay, clear? Next, each tense is divided into 4 kinds. Each tense is divided into 4 kinds. Today we will learn only the tense, not the description. For the next class I will give you the description of the all tenses. Okay, present tense is divided into 4 kinds: present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Okay, clear? Now next, past tense. Past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Future tense: future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. Okay, this is the introductory class of tense. From this class you can know the main terms of tense, 3 kinds, and each tense is divided 4 kinds, and you can know the division of 4 names of each tense. Okay, clear? Through this class you know the things. Okay, homework. Learn by heart the name of tense and try to write down these names on your notebook. Okay, from the class you only know an identity of the tenses, and that is nothing more, and you have to commit all the names of the tense. For the next class I will make it easy for you. Okay, today the class is end, and for the next class you will get the description. Okay, today the last of the class. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks to all.